In a world where technology is growing faster than our thoughts, where people often forget to care each other, there still lie a few souls who remind us what humanity means. This is the story of a small boy whose small action made a big difference.
Oh, this bag, it's so heavy. If someone would help me.
Not my problem, old man. Walk faster.
Hello, sir. You look so tired. May I help you carry this? Oh, thank you, child. No one even looked at me too. We should never let someone struggling. Come on, I will come with you. Thank you, children. Thank you, child. The world needs more children like you. You gave me hope.
This is not enough money. Little girl, you can't buy the milk.
Oh, but this is for my little brother. He isn't even fine this morning.
There, you can take this money.
Why are you helping me? You don't even know me.
Because hunger has no religion and kindness has no boundaries.
Boy, you told me something.
Today's lesson is not from work, it's from life itself. Humanity means helping each other and not expecting anything from return.
And is it okay to help others if someone didn't?
Ravi, even if the whole world turns out to be selfish, one act of kindness can turn thousands of hearts.
That day, Ravi did not change the whole world, but for two people, he was the world.
Humanity is not only in thinking of ourselves, but in caring of others.